For the past couple of weeks, everybody has been talking about Carparking Multiplayer 2. Does it lag like CPM 1? It's basically the same game with better graphics. One of you guys even said, it's giving Vice City vibes. I've made quite a few videos on CPM 2, but never really got into details and showed you guys all the new features that we don't have in CPM 1. Starting off with the garage car swipe feature.
What's that, brother?
In City 1, there's a garage that allows you to change your car to whatever car is in your garage without leaving the server. I personally think this feature is awesome, but would have been nice if they also added it in CPM 1, as we have been asking for it for a long time. Let me know what you guys think. If that feature blew your mind, wait until you see this next one. In Carparking Multiplayer 2, we can change the size of the brakes disc. Both the front and rear wheel disc can have a size of its own. For now, I do not know if this will affect the driving of the car, but we'll definitely do an experiment in the future. When you're buying fuel in CPM 2, you can choose between 4 different types of fuel, and they all cost a different price. This next feature's got to be my favorite in CPM 2. We can add vinyls on the car windows. And the best thing about this feature is that we can add up to 150 vinyls. We've also got an option to make 2 different color rims. Unlike in CPM 1, in CPM 2, you can own more than one of the same car. And by the way, if you are still watching, comment W, so I know who the real channel supporters are.
W's in the shot.
In Carparking Multiplayer 2, there's no world sale, but we can buy cars with designs from the game store.
Nice.
We can also drive and walk freely on the garage. Inside the garage, there's a little apartment with a pool table and other furnitures. This used to cost 1,000 coins, but now it's free. In CPM 2, there's a dyno run feature that allows you to customize the air to fuel ratio and the car RPM. The car paint or color feature is different from that of CPM 1. In CPM 2, there's color presets, and they all cost 1,000 coins to unlock.
Brother,
To be honest, I think these are overpriced. 1,000 coins for a car paint is crazy, especially when there are cars that you can buy for 300 coins. And last but not least, in CPM 2, there's a new garage system. Each player can only own 3 cars, and if you want to buy more, you will have to pay for car slots. If this video gets 300 likes, I'll make a tutorial on how to download CPM 2. That'll be it for today's video, boys. Check out this video if you want to see a detailed comparison of CPM 1 and CPM 2.